We live in Florida, and here's what we did this week. Spoiler alert, it's not a whole lot because it rained a crap ton, and we've been feeling super lazy, so yeah. Go Pueblo! Freaking mosquitoes, man. Ugh. Clouds are really building up now. I've been trying to get a clap of thunder. Oh, here's all over the place. Trying to get a clap of thunder on camera, but of course, every time I start rolling, it doesn't thunder. But yeah, I think we might get some rain. Super cloudy day. Just not really feeling motivated to get a whole lot done today, to be honest. With that sun gone, not a whole lot of motivation to get out and do things. I just kind of want to take it easy and sit on the porch and just watch clouds roll by. Maybe that's what we'll do. It happened again. We came home, there was water pooled up right here on the rug that we had. And so I was thinking this time it's gotta be something either with the washer or the dryer. I found out where the leak is coming from.
Yeah.
Now I gotta go to the hardware store.
Oh no.
Yeah.
Where's the leak coming from?
It's coming underneath the wall whenever water pools up on the back patio. We had a big rain this morning, which caused water to pool up back here. And I think what had happened is water is pulling up over on this and getting underneath this wall here. So what I did was ended up pulling off, these sandbags are here just to prevent any more water from getting in there while this dries out. But the water was pulling up in the side of here and then getting up underneath the wall in here. And so whenever I looked in there, this part of the patio is sunken just a little bit lower than the actual spot where the foundation for the house is. And there's two little microscopic holes in there. Well, not microscopic, like the size of a pencil underneath here and here. So I ended up just getting some silicone and pumping it in there. And then, like I said, we'll dry it out and see what it does. And hopefully that takes care of it. We've been trying to think of something to do with this porch area over here, and I think what we want to do is something that we've seen online a couple of times is people do these herringbone patterns with brick, and so I think we want to do that. I didn't realize. Look who came to visit. Hi, duckies! Quack quack! You want some crackers? And get some water? Y'all trying to hide out from the rain? Alright, hang on. Let me get you some crackers. Ducky, ducky, ducky.
You scared yourself. Fred, which is the chunky one in the back, wiggies his tail, and he can't quite quack.
Yeah.
And he is big.
He's big old ducky.
He's a big boy, Frederick. And not as Miss Pam. Or Ethel, we're not sure. These guys have been gone for a while.
Uh-huh. Yeah, yeah. Look at the happy duck.
What do you say?
Yeah, wiggle that ducky tail. Look at that ducky tail wiggle.
Yeah, what do you say, Mr. Fred?
Yeah. Yeah. Happy duck. Happy duck. Anyway, so what we're thinking about doing is taking these bricks over here and then making this, what is that called? Herringbone? Herringbone pattern all across here. But I think I got to start sorting this problem out first and make sure that's all good to go. I'm gonna go to the hardware store and get a couple more bricks and probably just set them over here.
Huh? I was just laying it in a herringbone pattern because that's what
Yeah. So these are the brick patio beds I was talking about, potentially doing this whole patio with here. So we bought a couple of them, just see how they would do, see how many we need to stretch out across the patio. The biggest problem is you can see there is pools of water that collect on this porch.
Oh guys.
We got a package.
Alright, we got us a pup. Granny, can you? Huh? Oh boy. Love. These are dark. Okay.
Is
So
this the?
this is the crystal lid. Oh, this one's here.
Oh,
That's cool. Calling me, and I was like, send that. Oh, that's not this, right? So he was telling me that in this I wanted really, really, really bad. Holder.
So I can just hit a button and record stuff. I don't know, why is everything so hard? Unripened.
Oh, not that.
Well, what are we making tonight? Let's start with that.
We're gonna look and see if we can do pot roast.
Hot roast. Okay. What do we need for that?
Beef? No, we are not getting pot roast.
Why not?
Do you know how much beef is right now?
How much is beef price?
So much. We don't want to talk about it.
Okay.
Oh.
Check out these colada pineapples. They're like smaller. Should we get one of these?
Another week.
Hey, where's the other one at?
Whoa.
This is where the new smelly one was.
Well, hold on. What is on sale? What is on sale?
Definitely not this. Oh, Siberian fur, the other one we like. Ugh, pew, no, it's not the one we like.
I just saw this.
What did you just
It's
saw?
a dupe for these.
What?
Yeah.
What? We came to the bougie grocery store today. Because every once in a while we come to the bougie grocery store. So far we found a peach.
You didn't like them?
I did like those.
Oh, I was like, I just said, yeah, I didn't. Oh, okay.
It got kind of hot today, so we decided to come down to the beach and cool off just a little bit. Good day for it. The seagulls are laughing at us though.
We've done zero work.
Zero work this weekend.
Zero work was done.
It's been super uneventful, and we just haven't found the motivation to really do anything constructive this weekend, so here we are, down at the beach. Seems like a good way to spend a Sunday afternoon. see on the camera. There's a ton of seagrass out here, and it keeps building up, and wherever you swim in it, it gets all over you. There we go. In search of a good sitting spot.
Oh, David!
We still need to finish the Japanese house reno episode, and we saw one that we haven't finished yet. Huh? And he's gonna put one out today.
We found a nice little mangrove tree to sit underneath and give us some shade while we listen to the waves come in. There's a bunch of boats coming through this little channel right here, so I think that's what's causing all these waves, but yeah, waves are waves. I'll take it. I'm glad we decided to come out here.
Me too.
Looks like the storms are developing this afternoon. Back over this way. So I'm gonna try to mow the lawn right quick before we get some rain. I think there's like a 70% chance of rain. Let me knock that out. This wheel mower is starting to sound like butt. I think it needs some lubrication. Okay, it took me 30 minutes to find this stupid lubricant. And one of these days I'm actually gonna clean stuff up, and it's gonna be awesome because I'll know where everything is at all times. Today's not that day though. Aha. There we go. Smooth. Just mowed this whole apron and realized I didn't push record. So, yeah, that happened. But I got some video of mowing this stuff. Okay, look at the clouds building up over here. It's a good little storm here in a little bit. I don't know why I thought it was a great idea to wait till almost 4 o'clock in the afternoon on one of the hottest days of the year to start mowing the lawn, but I did, and here I am. Sweating buckets. I need to go back to the beach. I got it all done before the rain started falling. Yeah! Well, that's it for this week. Thanks to the 5 people who consistently watch these videos. You're the best.